All right, you guys, so we're going to go on a treasure hunt, and what we need to know is what to look for at first. All right, so we're going to give you a list of factors that are going to signal that this could be a good market, an opportunity to go into. All right, and then we're going to tell you, kind of give you the tools, the paths, the techniques. Maybe go to Target or something. Don't do that. Actually, you can find product opportunities at Target, but essentially, we'll give you all the routes to get there, and now you know what to look for. And then with the last thing is we give you the signals for maybe a bad market. So that way, essentially, let me just draw it for you here. Initially, we're gathering everything underneath the universe right there, okay? And then what we do then is we have the tools and techniques that help us find even more. And then what we do is we just continually break them down. And some will pass certain ones and some won't, okay? And some are absolute red flags of, nope, don't do it, go, stop, don't collect, go, whatever they say in Monopoly. And then we just keep going down. And then now you'll get to a point where there's some conditional ones just to take into account. And then you'll figure out essentially, is this a good or bad opportunity based on this? And eventually you're going to find some really sound ideas that you can't break down. And that's when you know that you should probably go after it. When you've taken everything into consideration, it seems like a good opportunity to you. You can't break it down. And then, well, you're good to go. So now let's go on to what to look for.